In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage tasks in Confluence. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know how to assign tasks, find everything that's on your plate, and quickly organize what needs your attention first, all using the built-in tools inside Confluence. Let's start with assigning or notifying someone about a task directly from a Confluence page. When you're working on a page and you want to make sure a specific person is alerted, type a / followed by the @ symbol, et. As soon as you do this, Confluence will open a mention menu where you can start typing the person's name. Select the right person from the list, and Confluence will link their profile and send them a notification. This is especially useful when you're writing action items in meeting notes or documenting follow-ups. It makes the task visible to the person responsible, and it also makes it easier for them to find later in their personal task view. Once you've started assigning or being assigned tasks, you'll want a centralized place to see everything. To get there, look to the top right corner of your Confluence screen and click on your profile icon. This is usually your avatar or initials. Clicking this opens a drop-down menu with options related to your account. In that drop-down, look for the option labeled Tasks and click it. This takes you to your personal tasks area. Here, Confluence gathers tasks that are assigned to you or created by you across different pages and spaces. Instead of hunting through individual pages, this view gives you a single place to review what you need to work on. You will typically see information like the task description, where it came from, and any due dates if they were set on the page. To really manage your workload efficiently, you'll want to narrow down what you're seeing. At the top of the tasks view, click on Filters. Filters let you control which tasks are displayed. Depending on your setup, you can usually filter by things like whether tasks are complete or incomplete, when they're due, or where they were created. Use these options to focus on what matters most right now, such as tasks that are overdue, due this week, or assigned specifically to you. By mentioning people with